Hello people, so once again you're all welcome back to Crypto Denzel TV. So guys, without wasting your time, today I have with me here newly launched USDT platform, and I'm going to make a live deposit for you guys to see. So guys, without wasting your time, let me show you how you basically register a new account. So guys, before I show you how to sign up a new account, just if you like my video, just hit the subscribe button, like my videos, and also don't forget to smash the bell icon for new updates whenever I release a new video on how to make money. So guys, so for you to register a new account, just open my description box, click on the link below so that I could follow up to this page. When you come here, then you click on the sign up button. So guys, with the sign up button, you just type in your email, your password, your security password, the invitation code. So I'm already having an account. I'll just click on the sign in button over here. Then I'll just do my password. So guys, let me log in real quick one over here. So guys, as you can see, login success over here, and this platform is really new here. So guys, we are going to make a lot of money from this platform. So I'm already having a 1 USDT here. So guys, in order for you to make money on this platform, you need to check the VIP levels. So currently I'm on VIP 0. I'm on the VIP 0, which earns me $0.50 dollar each and every day. So I just want to unlock this VIP 1 over here. So for me to do that, I will just need to click on deposit button over here. So I'll just click on the deposit button, and an address will be given to me over here. So I'll just copy the address, then I'll head back to my Binance wallet over here. I'll just click on my wallet over here, then I'll click on the spot, then I'll click on withdraw over here. So with the withdrawal button, I'll just click on send through crypto network over here. I just need to confirm. So guys, you just need to confirm everything over here. So guys, let's do the email verification real quick over here. So guys, we've successfully withdraw the 10 USDT and on right now over here. So guys, as you can see, our deposit has been confirmed on the platform. So guys, without wasting much time, let me show you how you basically do your missions so that you can earn your commissions over here. So you just need to click on the mission button over here. We click on the mission button. So guys, we will go to finish over here. So we just click on go to finish. So guys, we successfully completed our mission over here. So we just click on home over here, and we just click on the withdrawal button over here, guys. So we click on the withdrawal button, and guys, as you can see from here, our current balance for us to withdraw is 2.50 USDT over here. So guys, we just input the withdrawal amount over here, then we need to add our USDT wallet over here. So guys, I'm doing a live withdrawal too for you guys to see. I'll just click on the deposit button. I'll enter the USDT. Then I'll choose the TRC20 address over here. I'll just copy it, head back, and I'll just paste it over here. I just enter my security password. Then I'll just need to confirm everything over here. So guys, they are saying that withdrawal succeeded over here. So guys, let's wait for a while we confirm our withdrawal from this platform to check whether if everything is real. So guys, we've withdrawn the amount, and we are just waiting for our withdrawal confirmation on Binance account. So guys, let's head back to our Binance account and wait for our deposit over here. So guys, currently we have 2.57 USDT in our Binance account, and we've made a withdrawal of 2.50 USDT. So currently we are waiting for our withdrawal to arrive. So guys, let's wait for a while. Our 2.50 USDT, and it is available in our wallet over here. So guys, boom, we have it over here. We've confirmed our amount over here. So 2.50, confirming over here 2.50. Okay, so guys, this platform is really legit and it's working perfectly. So guys, all you just need to do is to sign up a new account with my referral link in the description box. So guys, after that, you make a deposit, then you invest and make more money with this platform over here. So guys, I just withdrew a total amount of 2.50 USDT over here. As you can see, I just withdrew this amount plus 2.50 over here. Let me show you my withdrawal record over there. So I will just need to click on me over here. Guys, let me show you my withdrawal records over here. So I just click on finance records, then I'll show you the withdrawal. So guys, as you can see from here, our withdrawal has been initiated, which is 2.50, and let's confirm it here, 2.50 over here. So guys, this is my withdrawal proof on this platform. So guys, thank you once again for watching Crypto Denzel. If you find my videos really informative, just give me a thumbs up, like my videos, and also don't forget to smash the bell icon for more updates whenever I release a new video on how to make money online. So guys, once again, thank you all.